Hello, Namaste. Welcome to another video of WinTrader. Today I am going to show you the live performance of our latest version WinTrader 8.1 and the Scanner 1.2, how our software support in Forex trading. As you know that our software support all major financial market like MCX, NSE, currencies, Agri, Comex and Forex. And the software we are marketing from 2009 and we are updating our versions also. Currently the running version is 8.1 and the Scanner 1.2. In this version, you can see there is a green up arrow. Green up arrow is the buy signal and the red down arrow is the sell signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generates a signal, the same time software gives an alert message with the sound effect. The alert contains the exact entry point. That means where you have to buy and where you have to sell is contains the exact entry point. If you miss the alert message, you have by mistake you close the alert message, the same details, the buy price, yeah, sales price, you can see here also. On above dashboard also it will display. Now I open Euro GBP and is 1 hour time frame. You can see the current market price display here, 0.9278. That is the current market price. And this, as I told, the green up arrow is a buy and the red down arrow is a sell signal. So currently there is a buy signal is active here. As I told, before taking the position, if the software gives a buy or sell signal, we have option to check whether the signal is given signal is confirmed or not. If it is confirmed, then only we can take the position. Otherwise, you just ignore the signal. For checking the confirmation, we have two parameters in our software. If these two parameters are confirmed, then only we can take the position. The confirmation, checking the confirmation is very easy and simple. I will show you. Currently, the buy signal is active. So, whenever software generates a buy signal, the first and main confirmation you have to check here. Bottom, it will put on like price in buy zone. That is the first and main confirmation. Price should be in buy zone. If it is a buy signal, then price should be in buy zone. That is the first confirmation. And the second confirmation, you can see we got a buy signal here. But the entry point, you can see buy at 0.9136. That is the next candle's opening opening price. So you have to enter only with the next second candle. So before taking the position, you have to check the second confirmation. First check is the confirmation I told you, the price should be in buy zone. And the second confirmation you have to check below the second candle. Below the second candle, you can see the confirmation bar. The confirmation bar should be in the same color of the signal. That means if it is a buy signal, then the confirmation bar should be in the color of green. It should be in green color. These are the only parameters you have to check. The price should be in buy zone and the bar should be in green color. Only two parameters to be confirmed. If these two parameters are confirmed, that means the signal is confirmed, then you can enter with the market rate. So once you enter in the market, the second you have to put the stop loss. The stop loss will display here. On below you can see the stop loss. This is trailing stop loss. On the left hand side you can see the target 1, target 2 and target 3. There are 3 targets. For example, if the software gives a confirmed signal and we enter in the market and we exit with our target. After we exit from the market, if the market is so trendy market, then the signal will continue after hitting our target. That time software gives a re-opportunity to re-enter in the market with a separate entry point and a separate target. That is re-entry suggestion. Software gives a re-entry suggestion. Currently you can see there is no re-entry suggestion showing wait only. If the software gives a re-entry suggestion, in this place software gives a separate entry point and a separate target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. And you can say in this version, in this new version 8.1, we are not using the candlestick pattern. Normally, all people are using the candlestick pattern. But in this version, we are not using the candlestick pattern. We are using the bar chart pattern. You can see the normal colors of the bar is red and green. For buy is green and for sell is red. Apart from these two colors, you can see there is some other colors that display like orange color, light blue, white candles and empty candles. These are the indication of sideways. Means if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that is going sideways. If we use normal candlestick pattern, we can't identify the sideways market. That's why we are using the bar chart pattern. But if you are preferring only the candlestick pattern, then you can convert it to candlestick pattern. And you can see in the chart there is a red stars and the yellow stars. These red stars are the resistance level and the yellow are the support level. And now I am going to introduce our new scanner, the Scanner 1.2. Now I am going to show you our latest scanner, scanner 1.2. This is our scanner 1.2. Our latest scanner 1.2 identify the signals for you. Whatever chart you are adding the scanner, na, it automatically scan all those symbols and gives signal, automatic signals. And our latest scanner identify 3 different types of signals for you. 3 different types of signal means is first to identify the direct signal, and second is the re-entry signal, and third is a trend-based signal. Direct signal means you can see this green up arrow and the red down arrow. That is a direct signal. And the second is a re-entry signal. And third, you can see there is a green line and red line. That is a trend line. So green line indicating the uptrend of the market and red line indicating the downtrend of the market. So whenever this trend is changing, rarely scanner gives a buy sell indication. But those types of signal, the trend based signal is very risky to follow. So you don't need to follow those types of signal. So whenever scanner gives signal, now on the right hand side in this dashboard it will written like this, and the same time scanner gives a alert message also. But before taking the position, you have to always open the chart. You can directly open the chart from the scanner, and you have to check whether the signal is a direct entry or a re-entry or a trend based signal, and if it is confirmed, then you can take the position. And this is our latest version 8.1 and the scanner 1.2, and we are planning to launch our new version 9.0 very soon. That is maybe we will launch our latest version in the end of this year, and we are charging lifetime payment. There is no for forex traders, there is no extra charge. There is only one-time payment, and all updation will be free for our customers. So if you want to know more about our software, or if you want to watch live demo, you can directly call me. My name is Ganga and my number is 9061973737. You can call me, or you can contact through WhatsApp or Telegram. You can contact through website. Our website address is www.wintradersoft.com and wintrader.in. Thank you for watching my video.